You've worked hard to build your business. The last thing you want is to get sued, particularly by one of your employees. Hi, I'm Alex Rubin, owner of Rubin Employment Law. When it comes to employment related lawsuits, I've seen it all. To help you recognize the pitfalls to avoid, here are 5 ways you can get sued. Please keep in mind that this is general information, not legal advice. Your mileage may vary depending on where your business is located and changes in the law. Number 1, don't pay overtime. This can really mess up your business and your bottom line, as interest and penalties can be huge, not to mention the disruption to your business when the Department of Labor comes knocking on your door and demands to see all of your payroll and timekeeping records. To avoid this, be sure to classify your employees properly as exempt from overtime and not exempt, and pay all non-exempt employees 1.5 times their hourly rate for all hours worked above 40 in any work week. Number 2, hire only independent contractors. This too can get you in trouble with the Department of Labor. Did I mention they love to assess interest and penalties for unpaid taxes and withholdings? Know your jurisdiction's rules on independent contractors and follow them. The general rule of thumb is the more control the company has over the worker, the more they should be classified as an employee. Whether they perform work that is integral to your business also can be a big factor. We have another video on this topic alone. Number 3, fire an employee while they're on medical or family leave. Usually this leave is protected for a certain period of time, so be careful, even if you are laying off other employees at the same time, or you learn during the employee's leave that they were doing a terrible job or did something that hurt your company. Number 4, don't conduct an investigation when an employee complains about harassment or discrimination. Even if you suspect the employee's complaint is unfounded, do your due diligence and conduct a prompt, impartial, and thorough investigation to get to the truth. And be sure to take appropriate action based on the results. Number 5, fire the employee who lodged that complaint. This will most likely become a retaliation claim. Even if the employee's complaint turned out to be unfounded, you could get sued for retaliating against them for filing the complaint, and you'll likely lose no matter how good your attorney is. So there you have it, 5 ways to get sued as an employer. There are other ways you can get sued, but these are among the most common to watch out for. If you have questions about any of these, or you're ready to put a plan in place to help you prevent employees from suing you, give us a call, preferably before you get sued.